Hello, hello, and hello. Welcome to another episode of Fun Fan Time. Yes, today we are going to be discussing this topic right here, nature. Sweet, 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 sweet nature. Now, nature is beautiful. We can go to the forest. We can watch the sunset. We can look at animals, right? The birds, the bees, the butterflies, the turtles. We can talk to the trees. Nature. Today, I will be sharing with all of you my top 5 favorite things to do in nature. My top 5. Are you ready? Number 5 is this: ride my bike. Teacher Razak has a bicycle, right? 破破烂烂的 bicycle. But when I go to Taiwan, I like to go and ride my bike to buy food, right? I like to go and ride my bike outside in nature. The nice thing about Taiwan is there are a lot of U-bikes, right? So it makes it easy for everyone to ride their bike. Number 4 is gardening. Gardening, okay? I think gardening is beautiful. You can be with the plants, right? You can grow your own food, right? This is something that teacher Razak wants to learn how to do, how to grow my own fruits and my own vegetables. Number 3 is this: go to the beach. Go to the beach. Now at the beach, you can take your shoes off, put your feet in the sand, and feel the waves, feel the water, right? I think the beach is a very, very peaceful place, and it's a lot of fun, especially with friends. My number 2 is hiking. Hiking. I think that hiking is very, very fun way to see nature, right? You can go outside, breathe in that good air, right? Taiwan has a lot of beautiful mountains. Teacher Razak likes to go hiking. What's number 1? My number 1 is hot springs. Hot springs. Now, teacher Razak, 5 years ago, maybe 6, went to Iceland, Bingdao. And I went to one of the hot springs there, right? So outside, right? 外面很冷, right? But in the water, ooh, the water was so warm, right? So relaxing, so comfortable, right? 我觉得好舒服, right? And then you can go and you can look at the sky, at the stars. Hot springs. Those are my top 5 favorite things to do in nature. My question for you: what is your favorite thing to do in nature? What is your favorite thing to do in nature? What is your favorite place in nature? Right? Is it the beach? Is it the mountains? Right? Is it your phone? That's it for today's episode of Fun Fan Time. As always, my name is Teacher Razak, and I hope that all of you have a wonderful and an amazing day.